Hello everyone, this is Suganya, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of English from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadlur. Here in this video, we will discuss about presentation skills. Let me see what is presentation. Presentation is the process of presenting a topic to an audience. Presentation skills are the skills you need in delivering effective and engaging presentations to a variety of audiences. These skills cover a variety of areas such as the structure of your presentation, the design of your slides, the tone of your voice, and the body language you convey. Next, guidelines for effective presentations. We need to take the following steps. First one, planning. Second, preparation. Third one, delivering your presentation. Planning is very important to design your messages properly. Make sure that you know your topic thoroughly and make it interesting to your audience. Decide on the purpose, whether it is to inform, to entertain, or to persuade your audience. The theme of your presentation is very clearly. Find out how much the people in your audience know about your topic so that you can plan content according to their needs and expectations. Next, preparation. Prepare subject of presentation. Decide your messages in advance. Have a strong conviction on what you want to talk. Organize your points logically. What to say at the beginning, what you deal in the middle. So you need to practice delivery of presentation because practice makes a person perfect. Delivering your presentation is the way in which you actually make or give your presentation. It is important as content. Do not put both hands in your pocket for a long time. Speak to the audience, not to the visuals. Speak clearly and loudly enough. Discuss your objectives at the beginning of the presentation. We'll move on to the structuring your presentation. What structure? Structure is important because a well-organized presentation creates an impression that you know what you are talking about. You will gain the audience trust. They will be more likely to listen to you. A structure provides a logical flow that you can provide the information that the audience needs to the follow your presentation. The structure will help you become more comfortable following this follow. There is a natural structure to presenting and the following structure formalize this process. Opening your presentation. This is also known as the hook. It is designed to grab the audience attention and provide them with a reason to be interested in the presentation. First, welcome your audience. That's the opening part. Welcome your audience. Introduce your topic using questions, quotes, statements. Surprise the audience. Next, body of presentation. This is the major portion of the presentation. It is necessary that it connects directly to your purpose or bridge. Cover enough points to achieve your purpose. Be sure to support your points clearly and concisely. Stage fear. Most speakers are a little nervous at the beginning. By establishing a rapport with your audience, by maintaining eye contact and by smiling, you can overcome stage fear. Try to speak slowly and calmly. After some time, you will relax and gain confidence. Next, appearance and body language. Take care of your appearance because very important one thing is appearance and body language. It is your appearance that makes the first impression on the audience. Power of your voice, be audible and vary the pitch, tone and volume of your voice to maintain the interest of the audience. Finally, closing your presentation. This is the final impression that you will leave with your audience. Make sure it's strong one. Connect back to your purpose and let them know where you have been. Leave your audience with a clear understanding of your points. After you conclude your presentation, allow time to answer questions from your audience. Answer your audience patiently, frankly, and politely. Thank you for watching this video.